Hi, this is Enrique's Home Buyer Channel, and today we are going to talk about seller contributions. Welcome back, Enrique here. Today, I have a very important topic, especially in this day and age. This is a word that if you are in the process of buying a home, if you're out there thinking about buying a home, you're going to hear this, and it's called seller contributions. Yeah, seller contributions. What is seller contributions? Okay, seller contributions is when you're purchasing a home and the seller, the person selling you the house, decides to give you a contribution to help you with some of the expenses of buying the home. They cannot help you with the down payment, but they can help you with closing costs, or they can help you to buy down the rate. They can also help you pay for certain things such as a home warranty. They can help you pay for your appraisal. They can help you with your termite reports. And in some cases, they'll help you with everything. So when we have a market like right now, we are in the fall of 2022, October, where the market is really on the buyer side, your contributions from the seller are going to be higher. Sellers are going to be more willing to do things for you in order for you to buy their house. So it's very common that right now you're going to have sellers that are going to say, hey, you know what? We're going to give you $5,000 for closing costs. Or, hey, we're going to give you another $5,000 so you can lower the rate on your mortgage. It's called a buy down. Or we're going to give you money to do a temporary buy down. There's a lot of different options. Now, the right person to talk to you about contributions is going to be your mortgage professional. Every loan has a limit as to how much they can give you. FHA loans have a higher limit than conventional. So you want to first talk to your mortgage professional about seller contributions. You also want to talk to your buyer's agent. Tell them, hey, is there a way that we can negotiate some contributions? He's going to walk you or she's going to walk you through this process. But this is something you do as a team. Your lender and your real estate agent together are going to talk to you and say, hey, I think for this house, we should ask for this, we should ask for that. And then that's how you're going to navigate that process. So as always, make sure you're talking to your lender and make sure that you go check out my other videos. I talk about everything related to buying a house, and also subscribe so you can get my new video every single week. I hope you have a great rest of the day. Talk to you soon.